Welcome back to our factory series. Today, we're showing you an essential step in hair system production, the knot sealer application. After the hair is ventilated, the first thing our workers do is wipe the base. This removes any pencil marks, residue, or dust, making the surface smooth and clean. A flat, even base ensures the knot sealer spreads correctly in the next step. Next, we apply the knot sealer, creating a protective layer that locks the knots securely onto the base. This prevents shedding, strengthens the structure, and increases the overall durability of the hair system. From there, the piece goes into the drying oven. During drying, the technician must closely monitor the base condition. Temperature and timing must be precise, and a second coat of sealer is often required for the best result. Every stage of this process relies on skilled craftsmanship. Even a small mistake may require the entire system to be remade. The knot sealer not only secures the knots, but also enhances the strength and flexibility of the base, extending the life of the final product. Want to learn more about how premium hair systems are made? Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes insights from Bono Hair.